Hi, and welcome to another Boise real estate market update. This is a weekly update provided by Mike Turner and his team at Front Street Brokers. Find more information at frontstreetbrokers.com. Again, like I said, I'm Mike Turner. Sorry for my hoarse voice this morning, but it's January 10th, 2012, and the year-end data is coming in about the Boise real estate market. And today I'm going to focus on Ada County home sales. So this is the Boise area marketplace home sales. And what I like about this chart's provided by Jerry Webb Publishing, and it uses data compiled from the MLS here locally, is that it breaks out the difference between existing home sales and new construction home sales. So what I first want to point out to you is the past. The past is, the total sales is this blue, and existing home sales is this light blue, and then pink is the new construction. And you can see kind of pre-bubble area was that total home sales were around the 6,000 a year, and when we got into the 2002, 2003, we were still well over the 2,000 mark per year for new home sales for Ada County, and that peaked at 4,900 homes. I mean, that's a crazy amount of new homes in 1 year for this Boise area. So the peak was 2005, and every year since then, it's gone down. That's 6 years in a row, 6-year decline in new construction home sales. That's not so good for the local, job market. There's a lot of construction workers in this valley. However, it is good for rebalancing the housing market. With less new home sales means there's less new construction, and therefore our inventory levels have been dropping quite significantly, and down to the point where I actually think this will be the bottom. 2011 will be the bottom. I'm predicting that we will have more home sales, and this trend will break. The 6-year streak will break next year. And you notice this by driving around town. You see a lot of new home starts, a lot more people looking at building because there's not that much to choose from on the open market. If you can get a good deal on the lot, it actually doesn't makes some pretty good sense to build a house that you just the way you want it. But that's the main thing. 6 years in a row that I want to show you is a declining new construction sales. Looks like that trend's about to continue. You can see the trend continued while the last 4 years or 3 years we've had home price increases. So 2011 had more home sales than 2010, and the difference between 2008 and 2011 is about 26%. So it's gone up quite a bit in those few years. Let me jump down to Caney County, which is the other main county in the Treasure Valley where I work. And you see the 6-year decline as well, peaking in 2005 for new construction home sales, and just hardly nothing in 2011. I can't say what's going to happen in 2012 for Caney County. There's not as much new home sales in that area. I expect Ada County to well outperform Caney County. But in both counties, you do see regular home sales coming back. In fact, between 2008 and 2011, Caney County is up 46%. So, there is demand is increasing, supply is shrinking. And so that's good news for 2012. And so let's see if that trend continues. But I like that these numbers are going up. It's actually not been terribly bad as far as the housing market goes. These have gone down. But I would like to see those start to creep back up as far as our job market's concerned here in the Treasure Valley. For more news, updates, and market insights, go to frontstreetbrokers.com. I'm Mike Turner, and we'll see you back next week.